Okay, remember when you're problem solving, whenever I see variables, okay, as soon as I see variables, I know that I need to describe that relationship with an equation. So I'm trying to find and describe relationship with an equation. Okay, if you have an equation, then you can solve for the variable. If I have the value of x here, I can find these missing angles. So my directions have asked me to list the sides of triangle APB in increasing order. So again, I'm focusing on the directions here. I want to list sides, and I want to put them in increasing order. Increasing means start small, go big. Okay, so again, if I can find these angle measures, I'm going to be able to do that. Okay, looking at that relationship of the opposite sides. So what do I know about the information they gave me? They gave me information at 3 interior angles of a triangle. So then I start asking myself, what do I know about the interior angles of a triangle? Well, in this situation, I don't know if any sides are equal, so I don't know that anything is equal to each other. But what I do know is that when I add the 3 interior angles of a triangle, I should get 180, the interior angle sum. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 5x minus 2 plus 3x plus 11 plus 4x plus 3 equals 180. So I've got 1, 2, 3 angles. I like to double check that I haven't left anything out. Okay, so at this point, because all my variable terms are on the left, I'm going to go ahead and just combine those like terms. In other words, I have 5x, positive 3x, positive 4x. So we put those together, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12x. And then I'm going to look at my other terms here. I've got a negative 2, a positive 11, and a positive 3. So 14 and then minus 2, that's going to be positive 12. Use your calculator if you're unsure, if you make a lot of mistakes with your computations. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to get my constant term, 12, over with 180, my other constant term. So I'm going to have 12x equals 168, and then I want to divide by 12. 168 divided by 12, I'm dividing both sides by 12 to get my variable alone, and I get that x is equal to 14. Now, once I find the value of my variable, like I said, I'm going to go now and evaluate every angle, find out what the angle measures are. So, I could use my store key. Because it's a positive number, it's not too tricky, so I'm just going to do 5 times 14 minus 2. So this angle here would be 68. 3 times 14 plus 11, 53. And 4 times 14 plus 3, 59. Now I want to make sure that my algebra was correct and that, you know, my setup was correct. These 3 angles should add up to 180. 68 plus 53, whoops, let me try that again. 68 plus 53 plus 59. They do add up to 180. So I'm feeling very confident at this point. I'm ready to answer the question. It says write the sides in increasing order. So my smallest angle is here. I'm going to put an S for small. My middle angle is here, and my largest angle is here. So I'm going to go the smallest opposite that, side PB. Next, my middle angle, if I go, that's 59. If I go opposite that, I get AP. And then my largest angle here is 68, so opposite angle P, side AB. Alright, so I've listed my sides in increasing order. And now I'd like you to try one.